man, I been up in the hills, you know. Like either way, no sign.
Rasta up in the hills, you know. While we are plant corn, them a chat, we are reaping, you know. Bam! Welcome to another reaction video.
Long like gang here, booping at them head. Boop, 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 boop.
Boop, boop, boop. Booping at them head. I wonder who ding attack. The man also got 23 like Jordan. Once the man got that, you know a legendary thing in man attack. And I can safely say, ding a legend in the thing. Yeah man, the man skillful with him dance and him music. The I ding remind me of the vibe what me get when me read the passage in the Bible from the book of Samuel. Yeah man, yeah, when it said because music was thought to have a therapeutic effect. Yeah man, and David was renowned for his skill with playing the harp, you know. Yeah, it said Saul was plagued with an evil spirit and the king summoned David to come play the harp, and because the eye is skillful with playing the harp. Yeah man, when the man play the harp, yeah man, evil spirit move way. Well, I see him where I see the eye ding with him skill, with him dance and him music. Yeah, anywhere the man go dance, man, may I tell you say, people have happiness, a happy music, happy dance. Yeah man, the man make all the baby dance. And if the man can make baby sing and dance, yeah man, nobody can stop the eye again. Yeah man. Yeah man, Ding Dong. Yeah, household name Ding Dong Ravers. Ding Dong Ravers, Clavers. Yeah man. Or the thing through a dance, the man dance, you know, can ramp with the man thing. The man say, boop in our head, I wonder who dig attack. Yeah, viewer, subscriber. And I also want to highlight two young and upcoming artists. Yeah man, young, talented. Yeah man, viewer, subscriber. I want you to help them to grow within their music. I know so them young and talented. Yeah man, but you guys maybe don't know anything about them yet. So make we start off with
Badness them pushing, them chop till it's ruined, till the line pops. Every man a bring money, every man a bring war, and a bring themself, me not like that.
What about the love? Badness them pushing. Yes, so viewer, subscriber. Young and upcoming artist, Zallient. Yeah man, the I have other music on YouTube which they have a song named I Am Growing, which is my favorite song. Yeah man, I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can check out the I. Yeah man, and you can also leave a comment down below and tell me how him sound. Yeah, and what you all think about him. Yeah man, make you check out Meskel. Meskel sounds.
Yeah, my journey never easy, no. That's why me always a chat with the Almighty.
Yes, viewer, subscriber, Meskel sounds. Yeah man, I want you all to check out the I music. Yeah man, young, talented musician. Yeah man. So I'm going to leave a link in the description where you guys can check out his music. You can also leave a comment in the comment section and tell me how the I sound. Yeah man, give thanks for listening. Blessed peace.
Like Jordan, I the goat here. You're not with my team, no bother John here. Get a cheer, listen good, me I go talk clear. Ravers money long like gang here, booping at them head.